In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track click and page load conversions with Google Tag Manager and Google Ads. By the end, you'll have reliable conversion tracking set up for both on-page actions and full-page loads, so your campaigns can optimize with confidence. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the main menu, go to Goals, then open Conversions, and head to the Summary view. Here, click the button to create a new conversion action. Choose the category that best matches your outcome. This helps reporting stay clean. Then proceed to create the conversion. Depending on your needs, you may see options like calls from website visits, or you may define a custom event. Select the option that aligns with the action you want to measure, decide how the event will be defined, and confirm by choosing Use this event. When you're ready, click Save and Continue. On the Tag Setup page, choose Use Google Tag Manager. You'll see a conversion ID and a conversion label. Note both carefully as you'll paste them into your tag in a moment. Now switch to Google Tag Manager and open your website's container. First, make sure a conversion linker tag exists and fires on all pages. This tag is essential because it preserves the click identifiers that allow Google Ads to attribute conversions accurately. Next, enable click variables so you can build precise triggers for click-based conversions. Go to Variables, click Configure, and check all the options under the Click section. This unlocks fields like click URL, click text, and CSS selectors for targeting. Create your Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Paste in the conversion ID and label you copied from Google Ads. For a page load conversion, like a thank you page, set the trigger to a page view. You can target all pages or better a specific page path to avoid noise. For a click conversion, such as a button or link, use a just links or all elements click trigger and refine it with conditions using click URL, click text, or a CSS selector so the tag fires only on the intended element. With your tag and trigger in place, test thoroughly. Enter preview mode in Tag Manager, navigate your site, perform the action, and confirm the conversion tag fires on the correct event or page. Check the debug console to verify the trigger conditions and values. When everything looks good, publish your container. Finally, give Google Ads some time to register activity. Conversions may show as unverified at first and then move to recording once data flows. Keep names consistent for tags, triggers, and conversion actions to avoid duplicates and ensure clear reporting.